Hi, I'm Gino Pasquarella,
I'm Anthony Pasquarella.
and we are the Pasquarella Brothers.
Today we're going to make a little breakfast paleo treat. The paleo craze is going, isn't it?
It is going right now.
So people are backing off on the bread. We're going to make you a dinosaur egg with avocado,
A little bacon.
bacon, and egg. Let's do it.
All right.
Alright, so first we're going to take this neatly prepared plastic bag here. Plastic wrap, what's that stuff called? Saran wrap?
Saran.
You can do that too. Stuff it inside your coffee cup, crack your egg in there. This is what we call a little egg bucket. We don't call it. No one calls it that. Alright, this is for the sous vide process. Basically just going to cook inside the plastic so it retains that shape. These are French techniques. While we're waiting for that, yeah?
Yeah.
While we're waiting for that, why don't we get this avocado ready?
You need a peeler?
I was going to do it with the knife.
Sure, no problem. I got an idea. I got this one.
What the hell? What are you going to do?
Okay. Now you just have to cut them.
What kind of crazy things are you doing here?
You'll see.
Let's cut them.
Let me cut them. I got it. Just like that.
Wow. You're like a super magician
Ninja.
Gino's the magic ninja.
Let's bring them over here.
Your perfectly sliced avocados.
I'll show you my trick next time, all right?
I'll never be able to do that.
Come on, yeah, you will.
I'll just call you.
All right. I'll be there.
Luckily these things are nice and ripe. I'm just afraid I'm gonna destroy them. Just have to make a big enough pocket to fit those guys in here. This is nice and easy. Again, we like to do nice, fun family things. The kids can do this stuff too. Like this guy. We have here some beef bacon. It's a little more flavorful than the pork. Okay, I got a nice little baking sheet. We'll have a little drip rack. Okay. I'm gonna put these in the oven, 400 degrees, maybe 15-20 minutes should do it.
And there you have it. Dinosaur eggs.
It's it doesn't have to be paleo treat, but it is. Happens to be paleo. I think your kids are gonna have fun making it. Enjoy.
Have a great day.
Bye.